Do you feel strange in these two lanes or single lane times? As long as someone is making a U-turn in front, the vehicles behind often can't move. Why is this? This is mainly because the front vehicle, this is how he makes a U-turn, so it can't pass in one go, often gets stuck here. So he has to reverse back to adjust the vehicle. If the vehicle behind also needs to make a U-turn, he can only wait here. Some even when adjusting, the rear of the car has to go back. This causes normal left-turning vehicles. They also get stuck here waiting. This is the reason. The vehicles behind often can't move. So how should we make a correct U-turn? The correct method is the vehicle should keep moving forward. Cross the zebra line after then turn. In this way have enough space once. Complete the U-turn. Isn't it quite simple? Have you learned it?